Hello YouTube, in this quick video I will be showing you how to fix a car flat tire using this kit. I purchased this kit at Walmart for $6 and I just got tired of taking my car to the tire shop and having it damaged and just the plug not working, so I decided to start fixing my own flat tires myself. This is the kit I got at Walmart for $6. After you remove the tire, you get some soapy water and spray all over the tire until you find a hole that bubbles up. I just found it. Now cut off the excess material along the line of the tread. You will use some pliers, just cut off the excess material. Now spray more of that soapy water and look for bubbles. If you don't see any bubbles, then you're good. Now use an air compressor to inflate the tire to the recommended pressure.